Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AETI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, this little chunk of the chart right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was just yesterday, and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a nice move on the day. But that's what leads to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is at, let's see, what is that? $1.45. Why is $1.45 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.45. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as $1.45. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, the key level seems to be right up there at about $1.65. So $1.65, public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, as far as I'm concerned, it's all about building those higher bases, because as long as higher bases are built over time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on establishing, upwards trends, focus on establishing upwards lows. In this situation, against, I promise, last time I say it, $1.45. And if the price can stay above there, that implies progress, and that's the name of the game. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum going forward or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.